Hey Machines subscribers, if you've not figured this out, I'm all over the place as far as things that I'm interested in, and this just so happens to be something that's been recently acquired. It was an unfinished Delta 3D printer that was languishing in the corner, and so I decided that it was time to get it up and running. And this is kind of my disastrous desk. But I went through the base calibrations, had it up and running. I gotta turn it on and plug it in. And I mean, it moves around, so that's about the extent of it at this point. But we can plug it in, boot it up, and tell it to go do things, which is kind of cool. Open up prompter face. Alright, so I'm going to flip you guys around here. So that's upside down, but firmware is running, so it's and the ramps board is loaded. My Arduino, let's drag my Arduino over here. And so my Arduino is set up specifically for a Delta, and then we can fire up prompter face. I'm having problems with the first layer adhesion, which is a common problem, so that's basically where I'm at right now. I can connect to my printer. I've created some basically some quick buttons down here, so I can click this A tower, this part of my calibration. So let's go home first. It comes up and touches the limiters, limit stops, and then I can hit the tower button and tower A button, and it'll run down to 10 millimeters. On the A tower, and then I can squirt across to the B tower and over to the C tower, and then back into the center. So functionally, just click these buttons. Gives you a demonstration of how fast a Delta can move. These things can rock, which is pretty cool. But like I said, I've been having some adhesion problems. I put painter's tape down and a bunch of other stuff, so I got to run back through and validate my calibrations. But that's pretty much it. And this orange filament that was sitting around, which may be part of my problem, don't know at this point. And I just noticed that there's a bolt missing from the extruder, so maybe there's a not getting enough traction on the extruder, or it's even possible that I'm not running enough temperature. But started my first extrusions at 200C, which seems to be the right way to go. The cool thing is that I have these LED strips on the side here. That was an eBay thing. So lights up the print bed nicely, so you can see what's going on. But yeah, so there you have it. Yet again, another thing from Adventure Machines. And then ultimately the goal is to be able to fire up SolidWorks, which is these little icons right there, get SolidWorks up and running and design new parts and send them to the 3D printer and do stuff for the 280Z, the KTM motorcycles, and various sundry other things. So yeah, it takes my workstation a while to load SolidWorks. But oh wait, it's up. Yay! So anyway, enjoy. This is going to be on the update list as I work on this thing. I'll be taking videos and sending them out to you. So enjoy.